Okay, now we're going to look at day 3. Write the sentences correctly. Jaleel made a picture out of buttons for a art class. Now that is just a disaster. So Jaleel is fine, that's someone's name. Made is spelled incorrectly. So that is a maid who would like clean. This maid should be M-A-D-E. Picture is also spelled incorrectly. That's not even any way that you spell picture. So, but the pitcher that you pour things out of is like this. That is also the pitcher when you pitch a ball, like on a baseball field. Jaleel made a picture out of buttons for an art class. Okay. Number 2, he used buttons of different colors and sizes instead of paint. So he used buttons of different colors. So colors is just C-O-L-O-R-S, not E-S. And sizes instead of paint, period. Okay, number 3. Draw a line between the root word and the suffix of the underlined word. Then explain what the word means. So let's see, assignment. So right here. So assign is the root word and ment is the suffix because it comes at the end. And then explain what the word means. Assignment is something that's been assigned. Okay, number 4. Use context clues to figure out the meaning of the bold word. Write the meaning on the line. He was so fatigued after finishing his art project that he went straight to bed. So if you look at that, he must have worked really hard on that art project. He was so tired. So fatigued means he was very tired. All right, week 4, day 4. Write the sentences correctly. Number 1, at a meteor crater museum in Winslow, Arizona, you can learn about meteors. So at, I'm guessing this is like a specific place. So it doesn't need a. So because these are capitalized, it's like a proper noun. At Meteor Crater Museum in Winslow, Arizona. So Winslow, Arizona, it's between a city and a state. You need to put a comma. You can learn about meteors. So this should just be a plain old S. Okay, that one had a lot. Number 2, there are a museum showing different kinds of barbed wire in McLean, Texas. So there is a museum showing different kinds of barbed wire in McLean, Texas. So McLean is a city and Texas is a state. So again, you need that comma. Okay, number 3, write the missing word. You can see a collection of folk art at a museum in New Mexico. So folk is this one. Okay, F-O-L-K. Draw a line between the prefix and the root word, then explain what the word means. These are some of the most unusual museums in the United States. So usual is your root and un is your prefix. So un always means not, okay? So it means not usual. So that means very different or unique. And day 5. Read the homophones and their meanings. So we have do, drops of water on grass early or late in the day. Do, to perform an action. And do, expected to happen or be done, such as when an assignment is due. Which homophone best completes each sentence? Number 1, what can I do to help you get ready? So this is the verb do. What can I do? Number 2, his dog's paws were wet from the morning dew. So if this is talking about wetness or water, it's going to be D-E-W. And number 3, the permission slip for the field trip is due on Monday. That means it's expected to be turned in. Okay, write a paragraph using all 3 homophones. So what you would want to do is come up with an idea for some kind of little tiny sort of situation or story that could or would involve all 3 of the do's. So what you want to do now is, after you have everything finished, you want to submit this to the proper category, and you're done with week 4. Bye.